Well, it's finally here. After Jade, La Bodega, La Creperia, and Taco Arte, have you heard? Club Med Cancun Yucatan has done it again. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the new Aguamarina! Wait. I know what you're thinking. Didn't Aguamarina exist already? Yes, our first Aguamarina building has been open since 2015, but we've added 2 more buildings. That's 60 more rooms. And we went ahead and added a pool, a bar, a new reception area, and these kiddie chairs that are just so cute. Though maybe a little bit small for adults. The Aguamarina expansion, that's Aguamarina with a G, as in español. I may or may not have been saying it wrong. Anyway, the Aguamarina expansion is all about family. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Ben tu le dis, Jess. Aguamarina, c'est pour les familles. Puis moi, je fais partie de ta famille Géo. De toute manière, si t'es toute seule dans le vidéo, ça marche pas.
Ouais, bon point. OK, mais viens-t'en, on va leur montrer les chambres. Let's go. All the rooms have separate bedrooms for the kids.
Woo!
So everyone can have their privacy.
Yeah!
Our deluxe rooms also have separate bathrooms for the kids too, so you can enjoy your own space.
Jess, je peux-tu voir ta toilette?
Most of the time. Each room has a balcony facing the ocean, and our deluxe rooms have showers on those balconies, so you can enjoy your own shower with a view. Or just use it to rinse the sand off your little ones. The Aguamarina rooms are just steps away from the new infinity pool. You can float around all day while the kids play in the water fountains.
C'est qui les enfants?
T'avais raison, Aguamarina, c'est une affaire de famille. Fallait être une famille pour la vidéo. Fait que maintenant, on a des enfants. Our new pool bar, La Marina, offers snacks and drinks for both children and parents. And I just love this new children's bar. They serve adults too.
Ah!
The children! Les enfants, ils sont où les enfants?
Ah, c'est beau, Jess, ils sont déjà au mini-club.
Ah, phew. Il aurait pas fallu qu'on soit des mauvais faux parents. If you're thinking, well, I'm staying in a different building, but I want to enjoy this place too. Well, no worries. The pool and bar at Aguamarina are for everyone in the resort.
That's right, the whole Club Med family.
Hey, we said it was a family thing, and family can be anything you want it to be.
Jess, j'ai pas de savon! Jess! Merci!